Welcome to Decreation SolidWorks CADCam practice 38. Today we are going to create 3D mechanical model part 1. So here's the detailed drawing of the 3D mechanical model part 1. We have the side view, front view and top view. So when we analyze this 3D mechanical model design, we can separate into 3 parts, which is first one we are going to create a cylinder, second we are going to create the arm, and finally we have to create a hole at the cylinder and the arm like this. Alright, so we are going to use a simple feature such as post extrude and cut extrude to create this in a simple way. So we are going to start with the first step. We are going to create the cylinder and followed by the arm. So we go to the SolidWorks and make sure the SolidWorks unit is at mmdx. Okay, I'm going to choose top plane, create a new sketch. Using a circle, I'm going to create the circle with the dimension of 30 in diameter. Exit sketch, go to feature, extrude base, use the mid plane, and the length of this one is 50 mm. So we create the cylindrical part. Next we are going to create this arm. For the arm, I'm going to select the front plane, create a new sketch, and then I'm going to create the arm from the center of origin. For that, first of all I'm going to create a midpoint line, and then I'm going to make sure the midpoint line is for the construction, so it's become the center. So once we create it like this, so I'm going to draw a line from the center like this. Okay, never mind. We just going to delete this. We just create an outline like this, and then I'm going to give the dimension to this. The length is from the center to this one is 105, and then the height of this is 45 as well. And you can see that from this point to this edge is 10. Okay, now you can see that it's fully defined. So we are going to use the offset feature. Just click on the offset feature, and we can see that from the detail drawing, the offset is at 10. So you just click on offset feature and then pick the line that you are required to offset. So it's automatically will create a closed loop line to offset with 10 mm, and then click OK. So within a few seconds we created the offset feature within the same as the outline line. And then I'm going to close this design. Just add 2 lines and open it. So it's a close. Alright. And then I'm going to add the fillet over here, which is radius of 3. Okay. So I'm going to use the fillet feature to change the radius to 3. And alright, so once we complete it, click OK, exit sketch, again choose extrude base, choose the midplane. Now the distance is 20. Okay. So now you can see that we click the arm as mentioned in the detail drawing. So now we are going to create this hole and this hole at the one sketch, and followed by this hole at the second sketch. And finally we are going to give the additional features like the fillet over here. Alright, okay. So I'm going to create a hole. So for that I'm going to select this face, create a new sketch, just click on the circle and create a circle like this. The dimension for this is 14 in diameter. So before I draw the second circle, I'm going to create a center line from the origin to this edge, and then I'm going to create a circle on this center line. The radius of this is and the distance from the center of circle to here is 50. Exit sketch. And then use the extrude cut feature. You can cut to all both. So once you cut like this, then I'm going to create another hole over here. So for that I'm going to use the hole wizard. Even though we can use the hole wizard feature over here, but never mind, I'm just showing different method to create the hole in a model. So for this I'm going to select the diameter, which is 12, as well as the hole. Make sure true all, and the diameter callout value is 12 as well. And then click on position, click this face, and then you just make sure click at it like this, and give the dimension to the circle, which is the distance from the center of circle to here is 20, and from here to this edge is 40. Okay, so it's fully defined. Click OK. So it's automatically will create. So now you can see that using the true all feature, it will cut throughout here. So if you have the error like this, you just go to this feature, click on this, and edit the feature. So the end condition you can choose to up to next. So once you choose up to next, it will select cut until the next surface. So from to here to here. Alright, so we complete our model. Finally, we are going to give fillet with the radius of 1 at this edge as well as this edge. So yes, now you can see that we complete our 3D mechanical model part 1 with 2 simple boss extrude feature, 1 cut extrude feature, 1 hole visit feature, and finally we end with fillet. There are many ways we can create this model, so this is one of the ways. That's all for this video. Don't forget to share, like this video, and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.